Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once more to WAP FOU TV. If this may be your first time, this is where we demystify elementary mathematics for your understanding. Here at WAP FOU TV, we equally support the education of underprivileged learners in local communities. If you want to know more about WAP FOU TV, you can go to our website at www.wapfou.com. Here you will see all our activities, and of course you can take part in any way you wish to. In our last lesson, we solved problems on time, and we identified how we can find the departure or arrival time. We decided to do addition of time as well as subtraction of time so that we can better understand how to manipulate time. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on addition of time. In our first example, it says 1 hour, 16 minutes, 17 seconds plus 2 hours, 42 minutes, 53 seconds plus 3 hours, 8 minutes, 9 seconds. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because sometimes we get confused when it comes to time. So, how can we do this? Before we do this, we have to establish certain things. We start from seconds. We have to understand that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days will give us 1 week. 4 weeks will give us 1 month. And 12 months will give us 1 year. And it continues. We have 100 years or 10 years giving you a decade. We have 100 years giving you a century, and so on. But for now, let's just establish this so that when we are adding, you should know where we are going to. By this, if you have up to 60 seconds, automatically you convert that to minutes. And that's the reason why we are carrying out the lesson for today. So let's rearrange this vertically and add, because when it's horizontal, it's a little bit difficult or challenging to add. We are going to put hours here. We put minutes, we put seconds. So that for hours, we have the first hour 1, 16 minutes, seconds 17. Next, we have 2 hours, minutes 42, seconds 53. And the last one over there, hours, we have 3, minutes 8, seconds 9. Let's follow up closely to see what happens here. 17 plus 53 plus 9 is going to give 79. 79 seconds is more than 60 seconds. So we're going to take away 60 seconds from 79 and add 2 minutes. And if we take this away, we're going to have 19 seconds. This is what we write under seconds. So we have here 19. And we take 60 seconds, which is equal to 1 minute, to minutes. Let's take 1 minute. We have our 1 minute here. 16 plus 42 will give us 58. And 58 plus 8 is going to give 66. 66 plus the one that we carried is 67. So 67 is already above 60. And for that reason, we are going to take 60 minutes away from it and we'll be left with 7. So under minutes, we write 7, which is the remainder, and we carry our 60 minutes to hours. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 hour that we carried is 7. And our final answer will be 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 19 seconds. Let's move to the second one for better understanding. Having solved question 1, we understand that every 60 seconds, we add 1 minute. Every 60 minutes, we add 1 hour. And for every 24 hours, we add 1 day. So let's rearrange this vertically and add. We put days. We have hours, we have minutes, and we have seconds. The first number of days, 1. Number of hours, 13. Number of minutes, 18. Number of seconds, 11. Number of days again, 4. Number of hours, 14. Number of minutes, 37. Number of seconds, 28. Last here, number of days, 6. Number of hours, 9. Number of minutes, 48. Number of seconds, 42. 11 plus 28 plus 42 is going to give us 81 seconds. Because 81 seconds is more than 60, we'll take away 60 from this. We'll be left with 21. This 60 will go to minutes and we'll have 21 seconds here. If we come to minutes, 18 plus 37 plus 48 will give 103. And if you add the 1 minute, it's going to give us 104 minutes. 104 is more than 60. So we're going to take away 60 from 104. And if you subtract that, it's going to give us 44. So this 60 minutes will go to hours. So we have plus 1 hour. And the remainder we have, which is 44, will be written here. 13 plus 14 will give 27. 27 plus 9 will give us 36. 36 plus 1 will give 37. So we have 37 hours here. 37 is more than 24. So we take away 24 from 37. It's going to give us 13. So here we'll have 13 hours. And we'll take these 24 hours to days. So we have plus 1 day. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 will give us 12 days. And these 12 days, if you want to demonstrate understanding, you can add weeks here. With 12 days, you already have a week inside. So we're going to come this way again, 12, and take away 7. Why are we taking away 7? Because 7 days gives us a week. So we'll take away 7 days and we'll be left with 5 days. And 5 is what we'll write here. And we'll have plus 1 week. Because there is nothing under weeks, we'll have our 1 week here. In the final analysis, we'll have 1 week, 5 days, 13 hours, 44 minutes, and 21 seconds. Also, you can decide to put these two together as 12 days. It'll still be correct. So we'll have 12 days, 13 hours, 40 minutes, 21 seconds. All you have to do is know when it is up to 60 seconds, you add 1 minute. When it's up to 60 minutes, you add 1 hour. When you have up to 24 hours, you give it 1 day. And when you have up to 7 days, you give it a week. And it continues in that order. If you have up to 4 weeks, you give it a month. So this is what we had for you as far as addition of time is concerned. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at subtracting time. To get more information, you can contact the numbers on the screen, or you can visit our website